I'm Rem, the Shared Services Manager of Value Plus Auto Service. So I've been with the company since 2012. It's been 11 years. And nag-start ako dito sa company as Customer Relations Officer. Actually, hindi naman talaga ako interested in the automotive industry, but on that instance, no, is naghahanap ako ng career advancement. And isa sa Value Plus na nakita ko na opportunity para makapagbigay sa akin ng career advancements, ma-promote or mapunta into a better position someday. And daw nasa supervisory ako. So I think na-achieve ko naman yung career advancement na gusto ko dito sa Value Plus Auto Service. Siguro yung making sure yung quality ng trabaho is okay or maayos, should I say, hindi pwede na. Since para tayong mga doktor din dito dahil sasakyan, so safety ng mga customer yung iniisip natin. So yun, we make sure na bago lumabas dito yung mga sasakyan na ginagawa namin is talagang na-satisfy namin or na-meet namin yung expectation ng mga clients namin. Ako siguro in maintaining a positive relationship with the client, I always listen to them. So regardless kung ano yung concern nila, kung yung ibigay nila sa aming mga problema na sasabihin tungkol sa sasakyan nila or other worries. So we make sure we listen to them and then kung ano man yun, gagawa namin ng paraan to resolve the problem ng kanyang sasakyan. So yun, we make sure na hindi kami nagmamagaling sa kung ano yung gagawin, but we listen kung ano yung concern ng kliyente to address at makapagbigay ng proper resolution for that. Isa sa pinakamatagal na empleyado ng Value Plus Auto Service ay guarantee naman dun sa mga magiging VPX franchises namin, no, na yung mga empleyado is for sure merong kalalagyang maganda once na pumasok sila dito sa ating company. Again, ako na yung isang testimony doon. Nag-start ako from the rank and file and then in time, na-promote naman, nagkaroon ng magandang position with the company and up to now, nandito pa rin ako. Siguro, masasabi kong kaya ako isang valuable asset with the team is nasimulan ko yung company. So, from the start up to now, kung ano man yung naging journey ng Value Plus, nandito ako. Nasaksihan ko lahat yon. Yung paghirap, yung success, and even yung mga alam mo yun, yung mga humps dyan, highs and lows of the company. So, nandito ako. And I could say na yung opportunity is still there. And right now, we're having different potential franchises sa iba't ibang lugar. So, I believe na moving forward, mas marami pang success ang pagdadaanan namin ni Value Plus. If you want to invest in an automotive franchising, you can message us sa aming Facebook page or meron din kaming website. You can look for Value Plus Auto Service and we will respond to you kung ano man yung mga questions nyo or queries. We are always available to answer.
Ako si Rodelio Santos Jr., workshop leadman ng Value Plus Auto Service. Nag-start ako 2013 as a automotive technician and then na-promote ako bilang quality assurance supervisor. As a multi-brand technician, lahat ng sasakyan ginagawa namin at hindi madali bilang isang multi-brand. Halos lahat ng techniques, lahat ng electronics ng sasakyan, iba-iba. Si Value Plus Auto Service, nagpo-provide sa amin ng mga tools and equipment tulad ng scanner. Functional siya kahit saang brand ng sasakyan. So lahat naman ng sasakyan ngayon is electronic na. So meron kaming PMS dito. Lahat chine-check namin, lights, suspension, tires, brakes, engines, oil leaks, coolant leaks. Kung may makita kaming mga problema, meron kaming recommendation form. So, isusulat namin doon kung ano ang mga concern ni customer. At yung hindi concern ni customer, nakita namin na may problema pa, isusulat namin sa recommendation para mas mapabilis ang service. Sa na-experience ko as a quality assurance supervisor, yung quality ng gawa ng technician, pag ginawa nila ang sasakyan at lumabas yan, kailangan i-double check ko, i-road test ko. Kung may mali man doon sa ginawa, may tatama pa namin bago namin ibigay kay customer. Nami-maintain ko ang aking kaalaman dahil nagbibigay si Value Plus ng training about sa technology and repair techniques. Masasabi kong nararapat ang isang tulad kong skilled technician dahil kaya kong gumawa ng sasakyan na multi-brand at kaya kong mag-overhaul ng engine, transmission, kaya kong mag-AC repair, suspension repair, wheel alignment, wheel balancing, or halos lahat ng repairs ay kaya namin gawin.